Invest Karnataka 2025, a premier global investors meet, is showcasing Karnataka's potential across key sectors like technology, infrastructure, and renewable energy. With investments worth Rs 5 lakh crore secured, the event is shaping the state's future as a global innovation hub. Bengaluru based Cell Propulsion is making waves with its autonomous point to point mobility solution designed to ease urban congestion. Currently, the company's electric shuttles have a capacity of 6 to 8 passengers with plans to expand to 18-seater variants. These vehicles aim to offer cost-effective, time-saving alternatives for airport commutes and high-traffic urban clusters. By integrating cutting-edge technology, Cell Propulsion envisions a future where sustainable shared mobility solutions decongest metro cities, making daily travel smoother and more efficient.
We are from Cell Propulsion. We are a Bangalore-based company, and our product is called Neo Commute. It's an autonomous pod we are based out of Bangalore, and it's an autonomous point-to-point, on-demand transportation solution for mobility solutions. We basically provide transportation solutions to airports, and we expect to larger campuses to use this kind of solution, and we believe that it is going to change the world of transportation. It's basically used for point-to-point transportation, and it's the lowest cost of infrastructure you can have based out of compared to many other solutions right there. It is going to decongest the urban clusters, which can majorly be used for decongestion of urban clusters and the places where there is a lot of congestion.
What is the passenger capacity in this?
So currently the passenger capacity which you see right now in this pod is 6 to 8 people, but we are further on going on, we'll be coming up with a passenger capacity of up to 18 people.
And how about the speed?
The speed is variable. Right now what you see version, it's a wheeled version. We are coming up with approximately 25 km per hour, but going forward we are planning and aiming to reach around 180 km per hour also.